So today I'll be showing you how to pair and connect your Soundcore R50i earbuds to a Mac or a MacBook. Now this is very simple. All you have to do is take the earbuds out of their case, and with the earbuds out of their case, they're gonna go into pairing mode. If they don't, then you wanna press and hold both earbuds. Now you do this on the Soundcore logo. So press and hold for about 5 seconds and they're gonna go into pairing mode. And then now when they're in pairing mode, you can go to your Mac's control center, click on Bluetooth, and then go to Bluetooth settings. Now under Bluetooth settings, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you should find your Soundcore R50i earbuds. And all you have to do now is click on connect, and they're gonna get paired and connected. And you can confirm that by looking here, right? Simple as that. Now, the other thing you can do is to change the default sound output device and make sure it's the Soundcore R50i's. Thanks for watching and good luck.